Hello and welcome to the next lesson on tenses. Today we will be talking about past tense. I am Dr. Sushma. So to talk about past tense or simple past tense is used to indicate an action that is completed in the past. So this past could be yesterday or day before yesterday or a week back or a month back or a year ago, etc. Example, Ravi caught the bird. Ravi caught the bird means the action has been done in the past. So the subject over here is Ravi and caught is the past form of the verb and bird is the object over here. We need not have object over here always. Sometimes we have the complement. Complement is something which we add to the subject of a sentence. We are telling more about the subject, right? So now when we look at the three forms of verbs over here, present, past, and past participle. I'm taking the same sentence, Ravi catches the bird, etc., because it will be easy for you to understand tenses better. So, present form is catch, caught, past form, and past participle caught. So, in the past tense, simple past tense, we have the past form of the verb which is caught. So, Ravi caught the bird. This is about simple past tense. And past continuous tense or past progressive tense is used to indicate an action going on at some time in the past. So the action is in progress at some time in the past. Whereas in present tense, the action is in progress in the present itself at the time of speaking. Whereas in past tense, the action was going on at some time in the past, right? So Ravi was catching the bird. So when I went to see Ravi, he was catching the bird, right? So was catching is still in the process of catching. He did not complete and he was catching. You're talking about the past actions. Now you are in the present and you're talking or narrating about a past event. Then when we all went for a picnic, we had a good time and I wanted to talk with my friend Ravi. When I went there, he was catching the bird. So like that, when you narrate about the past events, we use past tense and sometimes we also use past continuous tense depending on the kind of action that was going on, right? So here the structure is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing form. So was or were will attribute the past tense to the verb over here. Again, catch is the present form of the verb here, but because we are adding was or were, we attribute past tense to the verb over here, right? So now was is used with singular subject and were is used with plural subjects. Ravi was catching the bird. Ravi is singular, so was. They were catching the bird. Were. If it is a plural subject, we can say were. They were catching the bird. The action was in progress in the past. Now let us talk about past perfect tense. It is used to describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. So in the past itself it started and again it ended before a certain moment in the past. See, Ravi had caught the bird. By the time we were about to sit for lunch, Ravi had caught the bird. So you are referring to the past event, right? So Ravi had caught. The structure of the sentence is subject Ravi had plus past participle. As we have already mentioned, in perfect tenses we have the past participle and here had. In the present perfect tense we have has or has, but here we have had and object. So Ravi had caught the bird, whereas in present perfect tense it would be Ravi has caught the bird. Then past perfect continuous tense. It is used to indicate an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. So it was in progress, like the event has started in the past and it was in progress or it was continuing till a particular point of time in the past. Example, Ravi had been catching the bird. So he started this phenomenon of catching the bird and he did not complete it. He had still been catching the bird for 2 hours. So he literally took 2 hours to catch that bird. He had been trying to catch the bird for over 2 hours. So had plus been plus main verb plus ing form. Had been. So if it is present perfect, Ravi has been catching the bird. If it is past perfect, Ravi had been catching the bird, right? So this is about past perfect continuous tense. So we have learned simple past, past continuous or past progressive, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So the sentences are Ravi caught the bird, Ravi was catching the bird, Ravi had caught the bird and Ravi had been catching the bird. This is how you will have to remember the structures of tenses. And if it is present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Ravi catches the bird. Ravi is catching the bird. Ravi has caught the bird. Ravi has been catching the bird. So when we just compare present and past, only the verb here changes. Like here has or have in present perfect continuous tense. And there in present continuous tense, we'll have Ravi is catching the bird. And past continuous tense, Ravi was catching the bird. Similarly, Ravi catches the bird and Ravi caught the bird, etc. for present tense. Simple present and simple past. So if we understand the distinction between these tenses, it would be easy for us to learn. Thank you.